Alright, number ninjas, today you need pen, pencil, paper, unit circle, and a calculator. So we are going to use a calculator to find the approximate value of a trigonometric ratio for any given angle that's either in degrees or radians. So here's a question we're going to look at, sine 30 degrees. So first thing you're going to notice is the angle that's given to you is in degrees, so change the mode into degree on your calculator, and then type in sine 30. And hit enter. And we get 0.5. Now, what if the question was given to you in radians? So pi over 4. So first thing we have to do is change our mode of calculator into radians, and then type in sine pi over 4, and you get this following answer, 0.7071. Now I want you to pause the video and try these two questions, cos 47 and tangent 3 pi over 5. So 47 degree, you gotta change the mode into degree, and 3 pi over 5, you gotta change the mode into radians, and check your answers. Second part of today's lesson is to use a unit circle to find the exact value of a trigonometric ratio for any given angle that's either in degree or radians. So bring back the unit circle that we've seen last week, and we are going to get the trigonometric ratio. Well, that's a big tongue twister, trigonometric ratio using a unit circle. So we don't need a calculator for this. Awesome. Alright, so sine pi over 4. We know pi over 4 is located in quadrant 1, and I'm drawing a right triangle. And the x-coordinate is telling you the adjacent length of the right triangle. The y-coordinate is telling you the opposite length of the right triangle, and the hypotenuse is always equal to 1 because the radius of the unit circle is always 1. Remember from that last week? So sine pi over 4 is opposite over hypotenuse, and I get root 2 over 2. Let's take a look at another example. So cos 2 pi over 3, that's located in quadrant 2, and the x-coordinate is negative 1 over 2, and the y-coordinate is root 3 over 2, and the hypotenuse is always equal to 1. So cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is negative 1 over 2 over 1. So cos 2 pi over 3 is equal to negative 1 over 2. So I want you to pause the video and try these three following questions. Sine 210, cos 3 pi over 4, and tangent 0. So 210 degrees located in third quadrant, and using a unit circle, the opposite length is negative 1 over 2. So opposite over hypotenuse, oh, it got cut off, but it should be negative 1 over 2. So 3 pi over 4, that's located in the second quadrant, and we know adjacent length is negative root 2 over 2. And adjacent over hypotenuse, you should get negative root 2 over 2. The third question was a little bit tricky. So tangent 0. So at 0 degree, there is no right triangle. However, you still have the x-coordinate and y-coordinate. X-coordinate tells you the adjacent, and y-coordinate tells you the opposite. So tangent is opposite over adjacent, so 0 divided by 1, and you get 0. Next video, you're going to learn inverse sine, inverse cos, and inverse tangent. Alright, see you later.